The welcome page appears when the program starts and it provides access to your latest projects and online information. The commands available in the upper group of the dialog are New Project, Open Project, Exit, Search, First Steps videos, and the demo projects. The favorite projects are in the highlighted projects group. You can remove the pinned projects by clicking on the minus sign in the top left corner. This project will be moved to the recent projects group. From this group, with the star icon, you can move your projects to the highlighted projects group. This group can only consist of 5 projects. If the group is full, you have to remove a project before adding another. In the floating menu, you can find information such as the path of the project, its last modification, and size. The Notifications row displays product updates and other important notifications. The most important element of ARCHLine.XP 2018 is the renewed user interface, the ribbon bar. In the ribbon bar, the commands are grouped and it replaces the toolkits used in earlier versions of ARCHLine.XP. You can select tabs on the ribbon bar by clicking on them. On the Edit tab, you can find all the commands necessary for editing. On the View tab, you can find the commands for the 3D model and rendering. Within the Building tab, you can find all the architectural commands, while on the Interior tab, you can access the commands for the interior design. On the Drafting tab, you can find the drawing tools, and on the Dimension tab, you can choose from different dimensioning tools. All the commands necessary for the documentation and printing are located on the Documentation tab of the ribbon bar. The ribbon bar is the default user interface of ARCHLine.XP. However, the traditional classic menu is still available in ARCHLine.XP 2018. You can access it on the User Interface tab of the settings. To enlarge the drawing area, you can minimize the size of the ribbon bar. If you do so, only the tabs are visible. When you click on the tabs, the ribbon bar temporarily opens and you can choose from the commands. After clicking on the commands, the ribbon bar automatically closes up again. You can use the search field to find commands in the program. If you start typing a word, the program lists all the commands that have the same word in them. The Old Help menu and its commands are relocated to the right side of the user interface under the question mark icon. Here you can find updates, information about your program, support, video tutorials, and so on. When you click on the black arrows next to the commands of the ribbon bar, a drop-down menu appears with other subcommands. If your cursor stays on a command for a few moments, a tooltip appears which helps you understand the operation of the command with graphics and short explanations. If you select an element, its available styles appear on the Properties panel. In ARCHLine.XP 2018, the project Navigator is pinned on the right side. You can easily activate and use the documents and sheets of the current project. You can use the drag and drop method to place drawing on the layout. You can navigate between the floors if you click on their names. The elevations can be created with just one click. The project navigator can be unpinned if it is not needed. You can find the design center on the left side of the user interface. The elements are categorized in the building and catalog groups. The elements used often can be placed in the favorites group. With the drag and drop method, you can place objects, doors, windows, and other elements in the plan. You can access the settings, the floor manager, 3D creator tools, and layer manager from the status bar. You can work in the workspace with full screen or shared screens versions of 2D and 3D windows. The active drawing is displayed with blue frame. If you click into a drawing, you can activate it. To change the position of the drawings and enlarge the active window, click on the header and select the Magnify window option. By clicking on this option again, the program switches to full screen.